Hello everybody. So we'll see today Nifty and Bank Nifty levels how to trade on Monday. So here I have opened a Nifty daily chart. You can see Nifty is on a very crucial support level. That is 17600 approximately. So if you go to the 30 minutes chart, you will find that Nifty has taken support from here on numerous occasions. Here, 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 here. Previously, you can see it was a resistance which has turned into support right now. So the probability of this support being broken is minimal as of now. But it's market, we don't know what can happen. We should be prepared for both upside and a downside. Now, if this support is broken, what are the levels that we can expect? One is this 17450 as of now. But as we can see, this level has been sustained as of now. So for Monday, if Nifty breaks this level, that is 766, we can play on the upper side for 800 350. So this is the level that we can expect for upper side on Monday for three that is 18350. Before that, it will have to sustain a level of 17971. So if 70 17 say approximately 750 is broken, we can expect a level of 17800 at least on Monday. This is a far off target as of now, but eventually market will reach this level, say 4 5 days, if this level is sustained. So we can expect an uptrend for next coming 2 3 days. So this is the level on the upper side, and 17450 is the level for the lower side or downside. Now let's see Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is also on a good support level from where it has bounced back. It has already bounced back from this level. The level is 38450. You can see earlier this was a resistance which has been broken, and after this level was broken, you saw a good upside movement in Bank Nifty, which can be seen over here. As when this level was broken, you got a new high in Bank Nifty, all-time high in Bank Nifty. So again, this support has been respected as of now. Here you can see on Friday, and we have a good strong green candle that was seen on Friday at the closing time. So if 39,300 is broken. We can sit in on the buy side trade for at least a level of 39,800 and 40,000 approximately. As we all know, market is unpredictable. Just in case this level is broken, we'll have to plan for the lower levels. So first lower level that we can target is 18,200, 38,200, and if this is broken, 37,700. So these are the levels that we can target for one day Tuesday in Bank Nifty and Nifty. I request you all to please like, share, subscribe and comment on the videos. Thank you friends.